Aw, come on, what's the worst that can happen?
Oh, he turned it!
No!
Oh, he turned it! No! No!
Of 300. This will end up being a 6-lap caution period, and all of a sudden we're up to 49 laps of caution. We had gone, for the longest time, just 7 laps of yellow, and now we're at 49 laps of caution.
That ties the record.
Yeah.
What kind of drag racer are you? You know how important this restart is? Every driver out there knows.
Well, Todd Bodine doing a super job subbing for Jeff Burton. He just got a quick look at Todd. He's running now in 16th. And like Buddy's been telling you, he's gone through every one of those accidents today.
Most sports, you get some score as the game goes on. In this sport, the score comes right at the very tail end. Here it is, the whole ball of wax, what they've been doing here the whole week long, getting the cars ready, the whole race.
Steve Grissom dropped back just a little bit. He's trying to get a little bit of a run on him.
Here we go. Fans wildly waving. 2 laps to go. That's 298. 299 next time by, and then lap 300 will be done.
Gordon got a good start.
He sure did. Going through all that speedy drive.
Earnhardt on the bottom looking for position.
He's losing position down on the bottom. Both Jarrett and Jimmy Spencer got by him on the outside there.
299 complete. White flag in the air. 1 more lap to go. Jeff Gordon. Rusty Wallace is in the wall here on the main straightaway. Caution is on the speedway. They are racing around to the win. Caution and white is being displayed. That's the battle for the win.
Jeff Gordon just has turn 3 and 4 to get through. Very smooth through there. You can see 28 car Irvan trying to close in.
He's not going to be close enough. Ray Evernham knows it's in the bag. Win number 10 of the year for the Rainbow Warriors. Jeff Gordon becomes the first repeat winner at New Hampshire International Speedway, having won in 1995. He doubles it up here this afternoon, winning the CMT 300. Heck of a finish under caution and the checkers. It was a full-speed finish with the yellow waving. We'll be going to victory lane. Rusty Wallace has driven away, if you're caring and concerned there. Rusty obviously fine. He is driving back around to the garage area as he tags the wall. He'll unofficially come home in 21st spot.